Beautiful day, beautiful house, and as you know, this one's for sale. This has everything on your wish list. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and a 2-car garage. Comes on the market right now, and it's ready to go. A true Brookside charmer. Great floor plan, hardwood floors, but here's what sets it apart. Replacement windows, multiple living spaces, and the laundry is not in the basement. Did you hear me? Laundry is not in the basement in Brookside. It's in its own separate room, which is a perfect sunroom home office. You're gonna like this. I'd call this function meets fashion. Super charming sunroom, floor-to-ceiling windows, tile floors, great access to the front of the house and the back of the house, but it's also a super awesome place for home office. Could be your drop zone, could be a place for the dogs to hang out all day. It's a great room. You'll love it.